Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of AWS Mina Bytes. My name is Mohib Khan and I'm a solutions architect at AWS Public Sector. Ever thought of having an enterprise database at open source price? If yes, then you're at the right place because in this video, I will be giving you a quick introduction to Amazon Aurora, our relational database reimagined for the cloud. Amazon Aurora is a MySQL and Postgres compatible relational database built for the cloud that combines the performance and availability of traditional enterprise database with simplicity and cost effectiveness of open source databases at 1/10 of the cost. It is up to 5 times faster than MySQL and up to 3 times faster than Postgres. Moreover, Amazon Aurora is delivered as a managed service with simple pay-as-you-go pricing. Applications operating 24/7 and scaling to unimaginable levels across all industries, including oil and gas, healthcare, financial services, or government. Amazon Aurora decouples storage and query processing, so the database can process your transactions and SQL queries without impact from storage processing activities, enabling you to scale out using distributed storage processing architecture under the hood. Key advantages of this architecture are: number 1, purpose-built log structure distributed storage system designed for databases. Number 2, storage volume is striped across hundreds of storage nodes distributed over 3 different availability zones in a single region. Number 3, 6 copies of data, 2 copies in each availability zone to protect against AZ+1 failures. Doing so provides data redundancy, eliminates I/O freezes, and minimizes latency spikes during system backups, which are continuously stored on Amazon S3. Number 4, data is written in 10 gigabytes protection groups, growing automatically when needed. Amazon Aurora is designed to transparently handle the loss of up to 2 copies of data without affecting database write availability and up to 3 copies without affecting read availability. Amazon Aurora storage is also self-healing. Data blocks and disks are continuously scanned for errors and repaired automatically. Amazon Aurora is a highly secure managed database service offering network isolation, encryption at rest and transit, and validated through compliance and assurance programs, including PCI DSS, HIPAA, ISO, SOC, and many more. Let me give you an example of Samsung Electronics. As users of Samsung account, the company's certification and authorization service ballooned to over 1.1 billion users. Samsung account is the gateway through which users access Samsung devices and services such as Bixby, SmartThings, and Samsung Pay. Roughly 400 million of Samsung accounts' 1.1 billion users are active on the platform, which sees about 80,000 requests per second, making it critical that the system functions well. Samsung Electronics decided to move its massive database away from its monolithic legacy Oracle Internet Data Center IDC solution, which was expensive and made it difficult to scale to accommodate growing traffic. Though the IDC database solution hosted by Oracle was adequate when it was instituted 10 years ago, Samsung Electronics needed a more flexible, microservices-driven solution to better serve current and future users. In less than 18 months, Samsung Electronics migrated its global Samsung account data to Amazon Aurora. This migration from Oracle helped Samsung reduce monthly database costs by 44%. Samsung was also able to free itself from the restrictive licensing costs of the on-premises legacy database. With the migration to cloud-native Aurora, Samsung is able to focus on innovating and positioning itself for the company's expected growth. Such migrations are possible by using AWS Database Migration Service that supports both homogeneous and heterogeneous database migrations in combination with AWS Schema Conversion tool. A quick overview of other benefits that Amazon Aurora's distributed storage provides. Number 1, redo log processing. Number 2, instant crash recovery. And number 3, fast database cloning. Clone a production database to run tests in another AWS accounts, or run analytics workloads, or reorganizing a database. Creation of a clone is nearly instantaneous. Number 4, database backtrack. Number 5, database snapshots. Number 6, continuous backups and point-in-time restore. Number 7, ROM cache on database restart. And number 8, low latency replication. Talking about replication, Aurora Global Database offers faster disaster recovery and enhanced data locality. With Aurora Global Database, you can A. promote remote readers to a master for faster cross-region disaster recovery. B. bring data closer to your customers' applications in different regions. C. sub-second data replication cross-region. Amazon Aurora also offers Aurora Serverless for Postgres and MySQL, where you actually have a warm pool of instances that enables you to, number 1, start up on demand and shut down when not in use. Number 2, scale up and down automatically. Number 3, no application impact when scaling. Number 4, pay per second, 1 minute minimum. Number 5, great for infrequently used, unpredictable, or cyclical workloads. Amazon Aurora also addresses the challenges of integrating machine learning (ML) with your database by introducing Amazon Aurora ML that integrates with Amazon SageMaker and Amazon Comprehend in Preview, enabling you to make machine learning predictions on relational data with no ML expertise and continue with the SQL language you are familiar with. Amazon Aurora features just doesn't end there. To learn more about Amazon Aurora, one of the fastest growing service in AWS history, please visit Aurora's webpage. I hope you find this bite-sized video useful. Until next time, this is Mohib Khan from AWS, signing off.